Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to Preston Enclave by Lennar Homes here in Cadence, Henderson. Now behind me, we are going to be touring the Sage floor plan, which is a beautiful two-story home that's 3,000 square feet and includes a NextGen suite. So don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on moving, buying, or selling here in Las Vegas, or you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, welcome everyone. So today we are going to be touring Enclave at Preston by Lennar here in Cadence, Henderson. These are the two models that we'll be looking at. Now, a few weeks ago, I did cover these communities. That's Terrence at Preston, as well as Crest at Preston. But they have like 4 more Lennar communities out here. So they have homes in different price ranges, suitable for, you know, different types of lifestyles and families. But yeah, if you're unfamiliar with Cadence, Cadence is in Henderson. It's going to be in East Henderson. It's going to be 30 minutes east of Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Now, Cadence is a great master plan community for families. They offer plenty of amenities such as a park, splash pad, playground, barbecue area. The park that's close by has an Olympic-sized swimming pool, so you do have access to that, okay? Regarding this community, Enclave, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 3 different floor plans. They offer the Avery, they offer the Sage, which just has a NextGen suite, as well as the Vera, which is the largest floor plan. But all these homes range from about $529,990 all the way up to $699,990. Now guys, know right when you see the base price, just know that lot premium and upgrades are not included. When it comes to Lennar Homes, the out the door price, the total price isn't too far away from the base price because they only upgrade a few things here. They'll normally upgrade the flooring, they could upgrade the cabinets. So for example, it's saying the Sage NextGen, the base price is $679. They have one that's move-in ready. It was with the upgrades, it's $721,960, but they've reduced the price to $686, okay? And then with the Vera, they have one that was priced with $745 with upgrades, but now it's out the door. They did a price reduction. It's priced at $703,169, okay? With Lennar Homes, the way they work is they're going to offer like spec homes. Usually they push spec homes, which are like quick move-in homes, which means they pick out all the options. They start production on the home. So that way, by the time that you're interested in a Lennar house, they either have one that's already 100% completed, ready to go, or they have one that's coming out, will be ready in about a month or 2. But my advice to you guys is if you're going to buy a Lennar house and you want the best deal with the best incentives, you're going to go with a move-in ready home that's 100% completed. I could definitely help you out with that process and get you guys the best rate. So we've got the HOA. The HOA is $103 a month. Again, that's going to include all the amenities that Lennar, this community, offers. And it includes internet, okay? So that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. All right, guys, so welcome to the Sage floor plan. Now, this is 3,080 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2-story. Now, it does include a NextGen suite, okay? So that's one of the bedrooms. Now, the price is going to be, base price is $679,990. So they do have a move-in ready home. So with the upgrades in the lot premium, total was $721,960. But they heavily reduced the price, so it's actually priced at $686,960, and there's probably still a little bit more wiggle room. So again, guys, move-in ready homes, definitely more wiggle room with those, okay? So I know prices are subject to change. So I mean, depending on when you watch this video, it could be months from now or a year from now, probably will be higher than that price I just listed. But yeah, the great thing about this is if you're looking for like a NextGen suite with 3-car garage, I mean, this is definitely a floor plan that I'd recommend. So yeah, let's take a look. Paver driveway is going to be included, okay? So the desert landscaping. Now, anytime that you have a NextGen suite, the NextGen suite's always going to have its own separate entry, okay? So what a NextGen suite is, it's going to be like a separate living area within your house. So it's going to have your own entryway, which you can see right here. This is the gate. That's going to be the entry door. It's going to have its own living room, bedroom, walk-in closet. It's going to have a half kitchen. The only thing it doesn't have is going to have doesn't have a stove, right? But I mean, NextGen suites are great for if you have in-laws living with you, relatives, or if you want to just house hack, which means, you know, get a loan on the house, live in it, and have find like a roommate. Yeah, find a roommate to rent it out, so that way, you know, you don't have to pay for a little discount on your mortgage. Okay, so welcome in. Now, another great thing about this these floor plans here is you're going to have 9-foot ceilings both on the first and the second floor. Okay, so definitely feel spacious. Now, immediately to the left, you're going to have your walk-in coat closet, which is nice. You don't have too many. You don't get too many of those. You're going to have your door to your garage, which is always locked for model homes. Okay. That door is going to be the door to the NextGen suite. So you're going to have your living room, your dining room, and your kitchen. So let's check that out first before we check out the NextGen suite. Okay. Now, something you guys should be aware of when buying a home with a NextGen suite or even with a bedroom downstairs. So if you have a NextGen suite and a bedroom downstairs, you're going to be taking away space in the first floor. Okay. So for a house like this, for a 3,000 square feet house, some people might say, you know, you'd be expecting larger, you know, the first floor, like more space. But the reason why it's not as spacious is because you always have, you know, it'll either be that bedroom or the NextGen suite. So if you're looking for like just a very open, spacious first floor, then, you know, you might have to reconsider having a bedroom downstairs or that NextGen suite. So this is the pantry. Very, very spacious. Look at all that room. For me, that would be pretty tough to completely fill that pantry. Okay, so welcome to the kitchen. Now, Lennar has plenty of good standard options, right? So for example, this quartz countertop, that is standard, as well as the cabinets. Now, the refrigerator is included, just not the washer and dryer is not included, okay? If you want to do backsplash, you want to, you know, custom make your house, you could definitely choose your backsplash. I think for some of the spec homes, they might have the backsplash. Some other spec homes, they won't. Again, when you hear spec homes, that just means quick moving homes. That just means that the builder chooses all the options and it's already under construction. So the house will be ready pretty soon. So this is nice. You have this nice large slider right here. Now also too, oh, okay, door is locked, but you will get this covered patio as well. Okay. Now, when you move into your house, you can get the covered patios. You're going to have the pavers underneath, but this is all going to be dirt. Okay. So typically you have about 6 months to a year to do your landscaping. So that's all going to be dirt, but you will have the pavers right under the covered patio. Yeah, so definitely nice with the 9-foot ceilings. Feel like this should be the standard. Some builders just have like the 8-foot. Okay, so we're gonna enter the NextGen suite. So right here, you're gonna have your powder room. This is gonna be what the guests use. Okay. Everything that you're seeing here is pretty standard. With Lennar, the sinks is what you're going to get, okay? There's not too many options that you could choose in a Lennar house. You could choose, like, you could do the flooring, countertop, backsplash, cabinets. But yeah, as far as like the sink, the faucet, what you see is what you get. Okay. But yeah, for the spec homes, common upgrade you'll see is because standard you'd have carpet all throughout the house, and then only hard flooring in the wet areas, which is the kitchen, bathroom, laundry room. But for all the spec homes, they're going to put hard flooring like this all throughout the first floor, because nobody really wants carpet on the first floor. It's pretty rare. So this is the NextGen suite. Okay, so imagine if you have if you're living with your in-laws or your parents, you're taking care of them, this would be a great option just because they could have this whole NextGen suite to themselves. So yeah, look at, they're utilizing the space under the stairs. Yeah, I mean, it has its own personal living room, right? Again, you have your own like half kitchen. So you'll have your microwave, your refrigerator. Okay, so you got your cabinets. As you can see, it's not completed just yet. But yeah, the only thing you're missing is really just a stove, but you could buy one of those ones that you plug into the outlets. Now, this is the door. This is the entry door that leaves the NextGen suite. Actually, just before I started this video, I opened that and the alarm went off, so I'm not going to open that door. But yeah, I showed you. Okay. So you also have access to the garage from this entry door. So you're gonna have your 3/4 bath. Okay. Walk-in shower. So you're gonna have your toilet, and then it's gonna be your sink right here. And then this is the bedroom. Pretty good size. I would say this right here, this is gonna be about it's about a full-size bed. And then for the lights, you could always switch it out for ceiling fans. Here's the walk-in closet. Now this is also included too. So anybody who's staying here has their own washer and dryer, stacked washer and dryer, which is really nice. Now let's check out upstairs. So the stairs does have a landing. I know that's important to some buyers. Okay, so you got these landing step. This is what you see. Now here you're gonna have a nice loft as soon as you get to the second floor. It's a really nice loft, really good size. Again, 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. So you'll have your primary bedroom over here, gonna have a double door, which is nice, and you're gonna have your 2 bedrooms down there. Okay. Also, you'll have a balcony, which is really nice. And not only do you have a balcony, you have this really large slider. Like, look at that. It's gonna allow for a lot of natural light to come in, and it just looks really good. Now, if you're curious to know dimensions of the rooms, just let me know and I'll find that out for you. Now, if you're watching this video and you are interested in new construction homes, you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, you're thinking about going to one of these new construction communities for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit and help you out through the process. Now, if you have a realtor, that's fine too. Just make sure you take your realtor with you on your very first visit, because if you go there by yourself, the only problem is the builder agent's going to ask for your name, phone number, and email. Once you give that to them, they won't let you have representation down the road. And you definitely want representation, just because the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, but we look after your best interests. So we know when to negotiate for you. We hold the builder accountable. We walk you through the process. And yeah, definitely it's great to get your own representation. So really spacious walk-in closet. So you have your attic access right up there as well. Now, as far as like bathroom configuration goes, so when it comes to Lennar, they can't adjust anything. So just remember that, okay? So if you wanted like a walk-in shower spa, this is how the bathrooms come, okay? So they're just like this. You're gonna have your tub, you're gonna have your separate shower. You do have, if you want to, like you can pick out your cabinets and your countertop. But yeah, the faucets, the sinks are included. But yeah, usually with Lennar, I'd recommend just going with a move-in ready home, because again, you'll probably get a better deal. There'll be better incentives, and yeah, I mean that's what I'd recommend for sure. I mean, you can choose some of your options, but you won't get as good of a deal compared to move-in ready. Now, this is the laundry room. Okay, washer and dryer is not included. So you have your smart panel box. Again, this is where you would set up your internet router and your modem. Okay, so you have plenty of space right here for your linens. Plenty of space. And then up here, you're gonna have your bedroom right up here, as well as right over there. Okay, and this is gonna be your full bath. So let's take a look. So yeah, this is gonna be a full size bed. Pretty decent space in here. So as you can see, you have your walk-in closet. And then you have your full bath right here. So you're gonna have your dual sinks, and then you'll have your door right here, and then you'll have your toilet, and then your shower tub. So, and then this is the last bedroom. Okay, so it's about the same size, and then it has a walk-in closet. But yeah, guys, that is it for the Sage floor plan. A very popular plan, especially if people are aiming to get that into that multi-gen suite, that NextGen suite. But yeah, if you have any questions at all, I'm curious to know about the incentives, guys, give me a call, shoot me a text. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.